It's no secret that I tried several diets over several years and none of them worked. Short term, they would work. I would lose weight. But long term, they wouldn't work because the weight that I lost short term, when I stopped that specific diet, I would just gain that weight back and gain even more back. And I was tired and hurtful of this yo-yo dieting. And I know that many of you feel the same way. And then in 2016, I hit the jackpot, the fat loss jackpot. And I managed to lose 40 kilograms, and not only lose 40 kilograms, I have managed to maintain that 40 kilogram loss over several years. Did I lose all 40 kilograms in the year of 2016? Absolutely not. It took me 4 years. But I still hit the jackpot when it came to finding a way forward to actually lose those 40 kilograms and maintain that loss. I see so many of you out there struggling with exactly the same. You are struggling with yo-yo dieting like I did during my several failed attempts at fat loss. So in this video, I'm going to give you the exact framework that I use to lose 40 kilograms and to maintain that loss. And this fat loss framework is the exact framework that I help teach and coach my private coaching community members to implement, which gets them insane results. So now I'm going to give you every single step to make your own so that you can just copy it and that you can see insane results on your health and fat loss expedition. And what you will find as we go through the steps of this fat loss framework is that there is nothing drastic. And that already is your first clue to why it's going to be successful. All the quick fix diets that you and I have tried have required something drastic. And sticking to something that requires drastic measures is very difficult to maintain over a long period of time. Hence why you get short-term fat loss results when you are doing a quick fix, but it's very difficult to maintain long-term. Before I get into the steps of this framework, I know that when I get into it, you're probably going to sit there and think, oh, but this is too simple. There's no way that this can be true. And the reason for that is because your brain has been so brainwashed over the years believing that you have to do something drastic for fat loss to take place. So when you see the steps to the framework that I am about to explain, you are going to think that there is no way that this is possible. But I can tell you now, it's all about the basics and not about the drastic. You just have to be willing to accept that and trust the process when you implement the basics. Number one, calculate your calories and actively start logging your calories. By knowing what your calorie goals are for a daily basis or on a weekly average, and actively keeping track of what you are consuming calorie-wise, that is going to be your first and major step to your successful fat loss expedition. And that is exactly what I did. And that was a game changer for me because I started learning about the foods that I was eating. And because I was learning about the nutritional values, I could then set up my own meal plan for myself based on what foods I enjoyed. Actively logging and tracking your calories also helps break that all or nothing mindset. And it helps you realize that having a chocolate isn't the end of the world, and that realization is going to be the thing that helps you not give up when you do have a chocolate. Number two, set yourself some step targets. Have a look where you're currently at with your step targets. If you're on 3,000 steps per day, set your step target as 4,000 steps per day for the next week. At the end of every single week, continue pushing and increasing those steps of yours. So now you are actively logging and tracking your calories and you are actively making more calculated nutritional choices. And along with that, you are moving more by hitting your step targets on a daily basis. Those two things are already the most important things when it comes to your health and fat loss expedition and your progress therein. You are already going to give yourself such a massive kickstart just by implementing those first two steps of the health and fat loss framework that worked for me. Number three, eat more protein and fiber. By doing this, essentially at the end of the day, because you are eating more protein and fiber and vegetables, you are going to automatically start eating less cock. And by cuck, I mean ultra-processed foods, foods that are exceptionally high in calories and low in nutrients. And the moment you start focusing on your protein, fiber, and veggies, that automatically is going to help you adhere to your calorie goals. So now, not only are you logging and tracking your calories, but you are also making more calculated choices when it comes to your food choices, when it comes to your calorie choices. And that, in combination with moving a little bit more every single day, that is where the secret lies. The secret doesn't lie at the bottom of a fat loss supplement product that you bought at your local pharmacy. The secret also doesn't lie in you doing everything perfectly all the time. The secret lies in you being consistent within these steps of the framework. Number 4, the last step of this framework is just drink less alcohol. And if you have to, stop drinking alcohol for a couple of months so that you can start working on control around your food choices and your activity. Now, I know those 4 steps sound so basic and you're waiting for another 100 steps because how can it be so simple? Here's the thing, fat loss is simple. It is the execution of the steps that are difficult. And that's why I don't get why you are always trying to make it even more difficult for yourself by overcomplicating it. The framework should be simple because it is simple. The execution, yes, it's difficult. And that is why we don't overcomplicate the framework or the steps. And I shit you not, these are the 4 things that I focused on during my initial stages of my health and fat loss expedition. And guess what? They worked. These are also things that I chat about in my private coaching community, as well as in my health and fat loss digital course. The links will be in the description. So if you have no idea where to start today, get out there, calculate your calories, download a food tracking app like MyFitnessPal. Actively start logging and tracking your calories. Set yourself some step goals and hold yourself accountable to smash those step goals on a daily basis. Eat more protein, eat more fiber, eat more vegetables. By doing that, you're going to reduce the amount of ultra-processed foods and foods higher in calories and lower in nutrients. And then lastly, just don't drink as much alcohol as you usually would. If you do drink a lot of alcohol. Alcohol comes packed with liquid calories, but not only that, it comes packed with the fact that it helps you lose self-control. And in the initial stages of your health and fat loss expedition, you need as much self-control as possible. And then lastly, a couple of bonus tips and points with regards to things that helped me lose the 40 kilograms along with the fat loss framework that I just explained. Number 1, you have to put in the effort. The 40 kilograms didn't magically just fall off my body. Every single day I put in the effort to help the fat loss progress. I was showing up for myself and my daily non-negotiables on a daily basis. The effort was there. And I'm going to say this right now in case someone calls me out for making it look easy. If I have to rate my effort out of 100 over the 4 years of me losing 40 kilograms, I'm going to give myself a solid 100 out of 100. And I'm not saying that because I think the sun shines out of my ass. It's because I know how damn hard I worked on a daily basis to lose those 40 kilograms. And I tell you that so that you can set your expectations accordingly. And always remember, you don't need to do drastic things for fat loss to take place. You just have to do the basic things consistently for fat loss to take place. And remember, your effort has to be consistent as well. You can't just look at this framework and be like, oh, and then nothing happens, and then because you're not putting in any effort or you're not being consistent or you're not being patient. No, you have the framework now. Now is your time to shine. You actually have to put on your big girl panties or your big boy underpants and get out there and put the effort in on a daily basis.